What's up guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Vivo has announced Vivo S1 Pro. Let's talk about the smartphone. This smartphone comes with a 32 megapixel pop-up front camera and 6.3 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. And this smartphone has a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel primary camera, and this smartphone comes with a octa-core processor Snapdragon 675 chipset, and you will get a Android 612 GPU. And talk about the operating system, it has a Android 9.0 with FunTouch OS 9. You will get a fingerprint sensor on display, and it has a 3700 mAh non-removable battery with fast battery charging, and two options in RAM 6GB and 8GB, and two options in storage 128 and 256GB.